Why wouldn't it be possible for the Jesus who knows everything, who has all authority over everything, who went to the cross to die for me, to save me, to rescue me, who loves me, the one who is the lover of my soul, why wouldn't it make sense for him, alive in me by his Spirit, to speak to me the things that I need to know? Folks, when that drops 18 inches, when that settles in on your heart, and you begin to be open, you start your day, Lord, I receive your Spirit, and you walk out your bedroom expecting the supernatural. I receive your Spirit, but I'm expecting the supernatural. And that may not mean lightning bolts and $1 million and Maseratis parked in 60 houses you have. We're not talking, but it may mean that in the places where your heart has been sad, suddenly there comes to be an unexplainable kind of joy and peace that is going to somehow make it. That where there could be something financial, something practical that just has seemed to be broken, that somehow there is a sense to your heart, you can trust me. It's not all over. You can trust me. Why wouldn't it make sense that the Lord of all creation alive in me couldn't say something to me? That's why. I'm going to give you a list. You hear things. You know things. You can do things. You lose some things that needed to be lost. You get other things that you need. And you feel things. None of which are generated from the natural, but all are a part of the Spirit of Jesus in you speaking to you.